Hi guys, welcome back to What Lube Loves Lube. If you want to learn how to make this huge money bouquet video, stay tuned to the end. But we're going to be shedding more light on how to wrap a money bouquet. This is a tape dispenser. You need a tape dispenser. It makes your job easier. Coming out very easy. Stop scrolling and start creating. Sit down, make research, pen things down. That's another thing that has really helped me. When you make research, when you find videos that are inspiring, that you want to recreate, write things down. Write your script down. Don't just do things off of your head. It doesn't work that way. Hi guys, welcome back to What Lube Loves Lube. In today's video, we're going to be making a client order together. $100 bills with roses. I already have my dollar bills folded and in shape. I have a detailed video of how you can fold your dollar bills into this shape. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out. A very detailed video for beginners, how to fold your dollar bill. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on wrapping your money bouquet and how to remove tape from your money bouquet, because I know that some people were asking in the former video, which I'll be linking in the description box below, how to wrap your money bouquet. So that's what we're going to be focusing on in this video. I'm going to be showing you some of the things that you need when you want to start a money bouquet. So I'm starting with this is a dry styrofoam. If you're using roses that are artificial, you can use this dry styrofoam. But if you're using roses that are natural, not the artificial ones, you need the wet styrofoam so your roses don't die before they get to whoever it is that you're delivering it to, whether your friend, your family, or your clients. So that's the difference between this dry one and the wet one. Maybe in the next video, I'll have the wet one so you can see it. Okay, because I'm doing a love shape money bouquet, I'm going to be using this because I don't have to buy. You just pick up any of the delivery box, Amazon box, whatever box that you have at home that is handy, and then, or maybe your roses that you got. There are some of the roses that when you get them, come in boxes like this. So I always stock them or stack them because I know that I'm going to be needing them one day. If you like DIY, some of these things you just keep them because they always come in handy. So these are one of the boxes that I have. Glue gun. I work with glue gun a lot. You need your tape. This is a tape dispenser. You need a tape dispenser. It makes your job easier. It makes it faster. So, and then I use Scotch transparent tape all the time. It makes it easy for me to remove tape from the money. When I first started, I got some complaints that the money was getting stuck to the tape, and that was because I was using a bigger tape. So try and get a tape that is not so big. Just this size is good. It's okay. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the tape from this money. You see, that's the tape. You just go in. I don't know if you can see it. You just put your hand in between, you see the tape coming out. Very easy. And that's it. And then you lift your stick, and then the money is out. So it's very easy. You can see it did not tear my money. The dollar bill is still intact. That's how to take off your tape from your money. You're going to do it in front of you, how to put it back on the dollar bill. You put it directly under the nose. Tape it down, you secure it. Use it here. You secure it, can you see? Then you take the dollar bill from underneath, you fold one up, the other one up, and then you turn it in. You see the way I'm holding it? That's how you hold it. You bend it, and then you take this tape, use it to hold it together, and that's it. That's just the easy way to get this, but a detailed video is linked in the description below how you can fold. After getting all my $100, I'm going to list all these things in my description box. in case you can't hear what I'm saying properly, but I'm going to also, put the subtitle there. I'm also going to be using some baby breath. Baby breath makes your bouquet look kind of like so beautiful. Even though this is the first time I'm going to be using a glittering rose, I'm using this glitter roses or glittering rose, whatever you want to call it. These roses have glitters in them. You see, they're so beautiful. So this is the first time I'm using this type of artificial rose, and I really want to see how it will come out. And yep, let's get right into this. I secure a styrofoam in this. This is a wrapping paper, so I taped this wrapping paper around the styrofoam because I don't like the way the glue stays on the styrofoam. To me, it's not so strong; it can't hold it. So I taped this wrapping paper around the styrofoam, and then I glue it. Secured. It will stand the test of time. Cut them out. How does this be fast? Because this thing dries then fast. So like this here. Fix it in. This plastic wrap, and I will use it to, wrap this together to stay put. So I take this, I fold it into two, and then I bring it across. And I'm going to put them under here to secure. And if you're just seeing this channel for the very first time, welcome to What Lobe Loves You Lobe. Please don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, it's going to tell the algorithm that there's something valuable in this video and there's something that you found helpful in this video, and it's going to push it to other people who might need it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join the family. Are you a young adult? Are you a mother? You need inspiration, fashion, creativity, anything profitable? You're welcome to the right channel. Think of my channel as a one-stop shop to everything productive, creative, fashion, inspiring. I cannot wait to see you in the comment section. If you subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll be there to send you a welcome hug. Thank you. Two, no man is an island. You want to start your YouTube channel today? Sit down, make research. Instead of always scrolling, why not start creating? If you do not make research, you are not going to forge forward. You're just going to keep circling around the same thing over and over and over again. Look for topics relating to what you want to create. Look for videos relating to things that you want to do and compare them. Look for the ones that have the highest view, the ones that you think that they have the best views, and compare it to what you are creating on your channel and see if what you have on your channel, will you sit down to watch it? Those are things that you can ask yourself. I started my channel like 8 years, my a YouTube channel like I think 8 years ago. I created just one eyebrow video about makeup because I've always loved doing makeup, and I am a makeup artist. So I dabble into a lot of things. That's why I said that this is a community. This is a space where we can have a community to inspire each other. I'm a personal shopper. I'm a makeup artist. I'm a compliance analyst. I'm a mom. I do 9 to 5. I do businesses. I have my bouquet business. I do gift ideas for people. I just love to do things. I love to dabble into a lot of things. I don't like being idle, you know. And one thing I found out is that there's nothing you ask of God that God will not give to you. The fear of creating a YouTube channel has been there for a very long time because I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to do and all of that. Then later I found out that maybe I was just being lazy because the information is out there. You just need to sit and search. Sit, search, and start. Sit, search, and start. It will not be perfect no matter how you do it. Your first video might be your best video and might be your worst video. The first video I uploaded, I started my channel August, and the first video I uploaded, I sent it to my friends to help me check, and they were like, "Look, this video is not good, the quality is bad, it's poor and all of that." And I took it down and I re-uploaded it, maybe because of the way I uploaded it. And then when I was videoing, I was videoing portraits instead of landscape. It took me to start to be able to understand that there are some things that I'm supposed to do and there are some ways that I'm not supposed to shoot. So the more you put out your content, the more you put yourself out there, the more information you get, the better you become. You have to start to get better. It's not everything that you will know at once. Some things that nobody will tell you, even if they want to tell you all, they won't remember to tell you all. Until you start, there are some things that you will never know. So stop scrolling and start creating. Sit down, make research, pen things down. That's another thing that has really helped me. Pen things down. Try and write. When you make research, when you find videos that are inspiring that you want to recreate, write things down. Write things down. Write your script down. Don't just do things off of your head. It doesn't work that way. You're going to dab, you're going to stutter and all of that. I have different videos where I was stuttering, where my kids were walking around and all of that. But I'm not going to give up. I'm here to stay because I love what I do. And I want to put it out there because one or two people might see it and might be inspired by it. And I've seen people that inspire me too on YouTube. Amazing people, amazing videos, amazing content, amazing inspiration. I pray for the spirit of abundance upon you in the name of Jesus. Also, take them out to study your Bible, prioritizing. Prioritize what is good for you, what and what you need to do, and what you need to put on hold or even cut off your schedule, because there are so many things online that will distract you. You will be the one to choose what you want to feed yourself. What do you want to feed yourself? Do you want to keep feeding yourself with other people's video? Fine. Do you want to start creating? Have time. 34 verse 4 says that I sought the Lord. He heard me. He delivered me from all of my fears. I had a lot of things that I would have not or never done, but now I do them with ease. Another thing I don't want you to do is depend on family and friends. As much as you will need your family or your friends to help you, vet some videos, your videos, your title, um, thumbnails, and all of that. You will need them, and you will need them to also like push one or two of your videos. But don't let them be your like motivation, because sometimes even they are not there for themselves. So why will you get angry if they are not there for you? Are you always motivated? No. So sometimes it might be their own down on and lows. So you shouldn't make that get you. angry. Enhance your interaction skills. Sit down, like I said, and research. Work on yourself. Pour into yourself. Educate yourself. Another thing I want to talk about is, when, we do this thing, and I feel like it's entitlement though, when you ask somebody for something or help and the person cannot help you, and then you start getting mad. Why? Why are you doing that? Let that end in 2023, 2024. Look on the brighter side. If you're asking for help and the person is not, what if the person can't even help themselves? But then again, the person cannot help you with what you cannot help yourself with. You can't help yourself and you're mad that somebody cannot help you. Why not take accountability? What if God doesn't give the person the grace to be able to do that thing for you? Why? Because God doesn't want the person to take the glory. So always look on the brighter side of things. Don't always get angry for just anything. Move on without closure. No matter who has hurt you or what has hurt you, if you see that the gravity is something that can mess with your mental health, I think you should move on. Sometimes it's okay to escape the world and enter into the world. And that is something that I've been doing for myself lately. Instead of, here and there, people, why not stay in the place of prayer? Stay in the word. Study more. Even you, the quality of your life, the quality of your delivery, the that you do will get better. Things will just start getting better for you. So if you're watching this video till now, that means that you enjoy every little bit of what it is that you're hearing, you're seeing, and I'm giving value for your time. I would like to enjoin you, plead with you to please like this video. If you like the video, it's only telling the algorithm that there's something valuable about this video, and it's going to push it to more people, and more people can view the video and also see what you're saying. And then subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the family. Consider my channel as a one-stop shop for young adults, for women, for mothers, to find inspiration. Let's connect. When you subscribe, just drop a comment in the comment section and I'll be there to shout out to you and welcome you properly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.